In this video, you'll learn how to fix the not enough money error on MT5. This error occurs when you try to open a trade, but your account balance is insufficient for that particular asset. For example, if you tap the trade icon in the middle of the screen, click the plus icon, and try to place a buy order, you may see a message saying not enough money. The main reason this happens is that different assets require different minimum amounts to trade. For instance, trading currencies, Forex, can often be done with as little as $2, $5, or $10. However, trading indices like NASDAQ, US 30, or assets like gold and volatility 75 requires significantly more funds in your account. To fix this problem, make sure your account has enough balance to meet the minimum requirements for the asset you want to trade. Always check the required amount for each instrument before opening a trade to avoid this error.